I received my vacuum seal bag, my vacuum seal machine, and the vacuum bags. 5 came with the pack with this user manual. Excuse me, and the tube that you use when you want the vacuum seal in the canisters. You just put this right there, plug it in there, stick this into the canister, and choose whatever you want here, okay? And it do its thing. Now another thing on here, you could put your bag here. You don't want this bag this long. You just put it here. It'll go straight through. And you can cut it down some. So watch this. Watch this here. Okay. It's been cut. Okay. Now we want to vacuum seal it. Okay. We'll turn the power on. Oh, you can't see the power. It's on. Okay. Something gonna happen here. I have to move my camera back. I had the power on, and I want to vacuum seal. Okay. On the ceiling. Okay. You're through. You see that? That's how you vacuum seal. And I vacuum seal the cheese. So it'll stay longer. That was cool. And just like I said, you can use these bags on the outside, and you can cut them in half, which I'm not gonna do, but just pull that down and run this down that way and cut it in half. Okay, all right. So we are ready to cut it. Showed you how to cut that. Okay. So that's it. This is a great machine. I like it. It's portable. Take it anywhere you want to take it. And vacuum seal your items. They do wet and dry. Okay. Cordless vacuum sealer machine. Bad sealer with dry and moist food mold, which is on here. Right here, the light show you where it's charging. So the red light will come once it finishes. It's blue. On and off here. And that is wet back seal. That's for your wet goods. Dry right here. Seal only. And the control. Okay. And you also have your canister sealer, which you use this tube here for. Take the air out of the canister, okay, before you seal it. All right. What else does it say? It says fits 11.8 inches vacuum seal bags for food, cordless design, a must-have in your kitchen, state-of-the-art sealer technology, user-friendly operation, sleek and elegant. And it was $39.99. I received mine free from the program. And you get to invest $39.97. And you too can have this nice, sleek, elegant food saver. Cordless vacuum seal machine. Okay? And it's black. And it's portable and it's cordless. Okay? And you charge it with the USB cord here that came with it. And I was charging it up. And let's see. It needs charging. You see the red light? That let me know it needs charging. That red light there. Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish letting it charge for a little while. Put my cheese up. And I'll see you on the next review, okay? All right, bye-bye for now.